Does Shopify have a POS system? Here's a quick and easy guide. As a store owner, you want your in-person sales setup to be quick and easy. You need a point of sale that is user-friendly and not too expensive. If you're looking for an excellent POS system, look no further than Shopify. In this video, we'll take an in-depth look at the features of Shopify's POS system and why it may be the right choice for your store. If you would like to speak to a Shopify POS expert about getting the system, please click the link below. What is Shopify? Shopify is a platform where e-commerce stores can build their websites and manage their online sales. They offer everything from payment processing to analytics. With Shopify, you can create a website that looks great on any device, desktop or mobile, and easily manage your products, inventory, orders, customers, shipping, discounts, and more. What does Shopify offer for in-person sales? For physical stores that want to sell both online and offline in person, Shopify has an excellent POS system that offers everything you need in one place. Their POS allows you to quickly process payments from debit credit cards or cash at the checkout counter. You can also accept Apple Pay, Google Pay, and other mobile wallets if needed by using their mobile card readers. Plus, they offer powerful reporting tools so you always know exactly how much money you are making from in-person sales. To top it off, there are lots of customization options available so you can create an experience that matches your brand's personality. How easy is it to use? One of the best things about Shopify's POS system is how easy it is to use. You don't need any special training or technical knowledge. Just plug it into your computer or tablet and you're ready to go. Plus, all of the features are intuitively laid out so even first-time users will feel comfortable navigating through them. And if you ever do have a problem with your POS system or need help setting it up, their customer support team is always available to help out via email or phone call. If you want an efficient way to process payments from customers at the checkout counter without spending lots of money on complicated hardware systems, then consider using Shopify's point-of-sale system for in-person sales. With its user-friendly interface and powerful reporting tools, this could be a great solution for stores that want to sell both online and offline without having to worry about managing multiple systems at once. So don't wait. Check out what Shopify has to offer today. Click the link below to talk to a Shopify POS expert about your questions.